Well, lots of sunshine to enjoy today. If you were bundled up to maybe do a little screaming of your own.
Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrakis in the Weather Center. The good news is that the snow acts as sort of an acoustic insulation, so if you scream, it sort of deadens it a little bit. Right, Tony?
So I went on the front porch on Sunday about 2 o'clock, and I screamed, and then I went back out around 9 o'clock.
You screamed again?
I screamed even more.
Yeah. It's good. You got to let it out.
You let it out. Okay. Yeah, as mentioned earlier, obviously a very unique weekend. I mean, nearly 65 degrees on Saturday. People driving around with the tops down in their car, and then obviously the snow on Sunday, and clearly not panning out as expected. But the snow is gone. We are dry and sunny and cold. We're looking at Newport Harbor. Signs of summer. The boats, they're in shrink wrap, so hopefully sooner than later we'll get those boats out of shrink wrap and we'll start spring. We have a ways to go, obviously, but take a look outside where it is sunny and dry, taking that temperatures in North Kingstown, only upper teens to lower 20s, and as mentioned earlier, a general 5 to a 10-inch snowfall. Nothing on Doppler radar right now. So let's look back at Sunday, and obviously a forecast that was very challenging, and in the end, much more snow than anticipated. And certainly when I was looking at the data on Friday night, not nearly or not as much as I was predicting. Now, you can see this is a radar loop from about 4 o'clock Sunday afternoon through early on Monday morning. What was unique about this situation, unlike the blizzard, was that the storm was fairly weak and it was far offshore, but there are so many moving pieces in the atmosphere that all come together to make the weather does what it does, and some of them occurring in the upper parts of the atmosphere that were swinging overhead on Sunday. And the simplest explanation here is that it certainly prolonged the snow and making it a little steadier and a little heavier as far as some of the moisture within the atmosphere itself, and the net result certainly much more snow than anticipated. Yagu Valley, though, they're loving this, right? We're looking at pictures, live pictures now, and the slopes, certainly more snow than what you had a couple of days ago, and temperatures now very cold in the upper teens to low 20s, including 21 in Providence. So our threat tracker now through Tuesday, Wednesday, green. We may have to bump this up to yellow on Thursday, not because of snow, but we do have quite a bit of rain on the way and some melting. I'm actually more concerned Thursday night for the wind potential. Gusts maybe 50, 60 miles per hour and unseasonably mild air. And again, that would be for Thursday. Skies have cleared out. We are cold and dry, and most of the eastern half of the country is fairly quiet. And you can see the colder air that has settled in for the next day and a half before it starts to warm up mid to late week. When we take a look at the forecast now through Thursday, it looks pretty good. We've got some chilly sunshine on Tuesday, no big weather issues. Wednesday is dry and a little milder. Then take note of this developing moisture. This is Thursday morning. This arrives Thursday evening and Thursday night with very mild temperatures, rain, not snow, along with some pretty strong wind gusts on Thursday evening, Thursday night. So that's the time frame that we're going to watch very closely. Meanwhile, it is just cold and dry for tomorrow, breezy, a little milder, in fact, much milder on Wednesday, 40, close to 60 on Thursday, strong wind, heavy rain Thursday night into Friday morning. Drying out Friday afternoon sets up for a cold, dry weekend, or colder weekend, both Saturday and Sunday, seasonably chilly with daytime highs in the mid to upper 30s. But staying quiet for tonight, right on through Tuesday and into Wednesday. Brian and Mike.